Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Saloni from Gaya, Bihar. As you know about me very well, this channel I have created to improve my English because I am a new learner here and nobody knows about myself who is she. So let me tell you, I am a homemaker as well as a mother of two sons. As you can think about me, why am I learning English? Let me tell you, there is not a big reason because I want to give my children good environment and I can teach them English because both are studying in CBSE school. So if I don't know English, then how will I teach them? If sometimes both will ask me, Mama, what does it means? Ma'am has given us lots of homework, then how will I teach them? For that, I am learning English. And as you know, today is the day 21 of learning English. And for 1 month, I have been trying to learn English. And every day, I am improving here. And as you can see, I'm not nervous and I'm not thinking anything who will watch my video and what will people think about me. If I am doing great, then who will judge me? Just sometimes I want to talk with my husband. He knows English, but it is not habitual for him. I am also learning English. Earlier, I was not, literally, earlier, I was not able to understand anything in English. What has written in this book? What has been written in that book? No, really, I don't know. But nowadays, I can feel yes, there are lots of benefits of learning English, which I am not facing in this time. So, how am I improving? Let me tell you first. If you are new here, then please subscribe this channel so that we will learn together. And first of all, I turn on my mobile video recording and I come and sit in front of camera without thinking of anybody. I think only I am watching this video. Nobody is watching here. And then I start speaking something in English. For example, as soon as I completed my all household chores, I run away behind the mobile. No, it is my passion. I will speak English. I will not give up. Sometimes I also get frustrated what to do all, what to not do all at home. So I thought this is beginning and after few months I can see I can watch my video. No, I am improving a little. If I talk about my first video, then where you can watch my video, I was sighing in front of camera and I was thinking that time if someone will watch my video, then they will start making fun of me. She is a homemaker and she is speaking English. But I thought, yes, I am learning English. And what is there to wrong? Yes, I am here to improve my English. And I haven't expect of anyone and anything. And how am I learning English? I will share with my all friends so that they can also get knowledge by watching my video. If she can do, why can't I do? And sometimes I don't get too much time, but when I get time after 10 p.m., that time I also want to read in English something in a book because that time everybody is sleeping and when I get time, I try to read in English. After that, I have to get up in the morning because my both son they go to school and only I am here to help them because both of us depend on me because both are very small so they can't do anything. Anyway, it's my personal problem. But only I wanted to share with you. I am improving day by day and I have committed of myself. I will learn English. This time I have started in beginner, but after few months it will be level of intermediate. and I am not thinking anything. I am here to improve my English, then I will improve one day. So why are you thinking you will not be able to speak English? You will also be able to speak English one day. But for that, you will have to promise of yourself. Yes, I will have to learn English. I will have to speak English. But how to start in English? First of all, what you can do, what are you doing right now? You can speak about it. For example, right now I am sitting here and I am recording my video and I am not thinking anything who is watching my video. Only I am thinking with whom I am talking right now, who is my best friend for me. And I haven't touched my mobile because my mobile is a little far from here. And if I will touch my mobile, if I will hold my mobile like this, then I feel uncomfortable while speaking time. And beside me, there is one bed. And beside me, there are lots of things. In this way, can't you describe in English? You are wrong. You can describe about it. But you are thinking, you are shivering. If I will speak, if I will make any mistakes, then what will happen? Then nothing will happen. Then nothing will happen. The person who wants to make fun of you, let them make fun of you. They have regret one day. Why was I making fun of him? The person who is increasing in his life with happily, and I am only watching his video nowadays. So hit back them and don't think anything. So start speaking from today. So it's around 12:30. I have to complete something which I haven't completed. So many works is left to complete. So what should I speak? I will have to go into the kitchen. See you in the next videos and I hope your day it will be good. Bye bye.